Hi YouTube, welcome to my Delhi vlog. I am in Delhi after 6 years, which is a big deal for me because fun fact, my mom is from Delhi, so a lot of my family lives in Delhi. Yeah, my mom's a Delhi girl, my dad's a Bombay boy. I am a weird mix. I used to spend a lot of time in Delhi when I was younger, coming to Nana Nani's house, but now it's become less frequent. But this year is my grandparents' 50th anniversary, which is why we're all back in Delhi for a family reunion, and we have this big crazy party for them where they're renewing their vows and getting remarried, which is really cute. I haven't met anyone from my family yet, so all of them are coming to my room soon. I'm very excited to meet my Nani because I think all of you who follow me on Instagram know I am very close to her and I just love that woman. Oh, let me give you a room tour by then. Okay, so you enter and then this is the room. Buttons. Oh, okay. I think I did something. Yeah, this is the bathroom. And there is a bathtub, the shower area inside. Then yeah, just usual toilet stuff. Reunion with the nuns. Hello. Are you so happy to see me?
She's not that happy. She doesn't look that happy.
She's like camera conscious. She is the queen. She is getting married. It's been 5 minutes since I've come. And Nani,
Drowsy.
क्या हो रहा है बताओ?
Nani's drowsy.
Nani's drowsy, and like you know when you're on family trips, within 5 minutes you've entered the room and suddenly everyone's screaming.
Your mom's room.
I don't know. Everyone's like screaming. Too much chaos, and I'm just like, oh my god, like let me process. I've just reached a whole new city. We're now going for dinner. I don't know how I have the energy to do this, but they're taking me to this place called Chawla's where you get amazing chap, and I love chap. So we're gonna try that out together. Yeah. I've got my Malai chap roll. And I've got something called magic chop. I don't know what that means. Apparently it's very famous here. And I told my family I only want to go to authentic Delhi food places, not like no fine dining, nothing, just authentic Delhi food. It's so crispy. Hi, day 2 in Delhi. Officially day 1 because yesterday was just all over the place. But we're going shopping today to Khan Market. I have heard a lot about this market. I've been there before but never knew that it's a thing. And I didn't know where to go. So today I know where to go and I just want to look at some Indian clothes. And there's so many big festivals like Diwali coming up, so I need outfits. So that's what we're doing, and obviously you're coming with me, but I want to show you my outfit because I tried to dress as Delhi as possible, just to fit in and get good pictures. Too much mess outside. Let me shut this. But this is my outfit. I'm wearing this scarf, which is actually a dupatta from my mom, a tank top, and this skirt. I think it's so on theme for this place, and I'm just carrying a tote bag with another change because in case I want to change my clothes and get more pictures. Lunchtime. Made a pit stop for lunch at Haldiram. I wanted to try the food here. Obviously heard a lot about it. I may have tried it at some point in my life, but I've forgotten. Got my sweet lassi. Panna. Right? Jaljeera chatpata. This is the best you get. It's good, but like it's not the best. All the road names here are so different, like Shah Jahan Road, Akbar Road.
Change करने वाले.
We have like SV Road and like I don't know MG Road. It's very hot. So hopefully I don't burn. It's too hot. I'm very confused. Everything looks... There's like too many shops at once and I don't know where to enter. There are so many shops here. I don't know which one to get into first. Getting this set. I don't know about this. I feel like I look pregnant. You know what I mean? Like some dresses just look very maternity like. I think I've walked like 20,000 steps. Actually like 50,000 at this point. I don't know where the car is, but we're done for the day. I literally bought one thing. That's it. Okay, our car is here. I just want to go home. I need water. It's too hot.
दो है आगे भी एक पीछे भी
कौन सा वाला? चार टाइम. They have गोलगप्पा.
आगे वाला होगा आगे वाला.
गोलगप्पा. I like pani puri more. Last you saw me having pani puri and then guess what happened? The entire plate of pani fell on me. All of this happens to me only, obviously. My skirt is stained. Like this is still fine, but if you see down, it's like red. But Mama, I've had better golgappa. Like this is not golgappa. I've tried such good ones.
Bombay?
No, in Delhi. Last time I came, I don't remember, but this is just not it. Wrong recommendation. I'm not having a good time with my golgappa, but I really want golgappa. Now I'm trying chai. What is it called? Which chai?
It's a cooler chai.
Kullad chai. I don't know what that is. This is good. This is good because it's sweet and I really like sweet stuff. 10 on 10. Finally, after that traumatic Golgappa incident. Cheers. Okay, we're just leaving the hotel. I was just resting here for a bit and editing some reels, but we're leaving now to go to a family guest house where all my family members are staying, whoever's come to Delhi for the event, my Nana Nani's anniversary. So it's gonna be fun because I'm gonna reunite with everyone and you're gonna see my crazy family.
Start madness. Now Papu's coming.
Just washed my hair, so please ignore. But day 3, it's almost 2 p.m. Haven't gone out of the hotel yet. I'm now gonna go to get my hair and makeup done because I clearly need it. Today's only all about the function, so I'm gonna go get ready and then head to the big function for my grandparents. Oh my god, I need to go. Ready. Forgot to update you all again, but we're all ready on our way to the event. This is how my makeup looks. I don't know if you can see it in this light because it's now dark, but makeup is done. I want to show you my outfit. We're already late to our own event by like an hour, so hopefully there are no guests there. Oh, you can see my makeup now. Went a little too pink, but it is what it is. Also, I think that makeup artist wanted to kill me because I am so controlling with my makeup as I should be, but she was literally giving me the death stare. Siblings. I don't want to socialize. I just want to eat in this corner. All eyes on food. हाँ नाना, पहले वीडियो को बोलो आपको कैसा लग रहा है, आपकी शादी वापस हो रही है.
फोटो देखिए फोटो.
अरे नाना बोलो ना, आप शाय क्यों हो रहे हो? Say hi to the vlog. Hi vlog, what are we doing? Nothing, we're just sitting here and like drinking, eating mocktails, not cocktails, because we're cultural and respectful like that. So this is the Bharat. The bride with her brothers. I'm living my grandparents' wedding, which is a rare occurrence. कैसा लग रहा है शादी करके वापस? I witnessed my grandparents' anniversary. Wedding. कौन अपने नाना नानी का wedding देखता है? Hi, I'm extremely sleep deprived as you can see, but I didn't close out yesterday's vlog because we got home so late. Got to the hotel so late. I slept at like 3:34 and I woke up at 9, so I've barely slept. And this is like an everyday thing, so I've barely slept this trip. But today is the last day. I'm just eating breakfast and then I'm gonna go pack my bags and we're leaving back to Bombay. I think this is enough Delhi time for a Bombay girl. I love Delhi, but I just miss my home. So that's the plan. Also guys, the French toast and the coffee here is insane. So good, it's keeping me alive. And we're done. I'm so happy to go home. I'm tired. Haldiram one last time. I think I may have eaten this like, I don't know, 3 times in 2 days.